Where to find the best sites. Banking and financial careers. Hello. The best internet resources about benefits and harms of whistleblowing. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about benefits and harms of whistleblowing is www.oklahoma.va.gov. Specifically the page titled Oklahoma City VA Medical Center Home. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site tv.greenmedinfo.com, especially the page The Amazing Benefits of Coconut Oil Dr. Bruce Fife. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site tv.greenmedinfo.com. The web page The Dangers of Painkillers, infographic, GreenMedInfo. Here's the link.